Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Baking soda has natural whitening properties, which is why it's a popular ingredient in commercial toothpaste. It's a mild abrasive that can help scrub away surface stains on teeth. Additionally, baking soda creates an alkaline environment in your mouth, which prevents bacteria from growing. 9.10 December 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here are a few tips to make your teeth whiter in 5 minutes. Mustard oil and salt. It is a unique home remedy for teeth whitening and for killing the harmful bacteria in your mouth. Baking soda and lemon juice. It is another home remedy to whiten your teeth considerably, from the comforts of your own home. Banana peel. The 8th of August 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.